Welcome to Columbia Ford Kia 234 Route 6 in Columbia, Connecticut. Today we are reviewing a 2009 Audi A4 3.2 liter Premium Plus sedan. We'll show an exhaust clip and even take the Audi for a test drive. So let's get started. This one features a 3.2 liter V6 engine producing 265 horsepower and 243 foot-pounds of torque, infused with a 6-speed automatic select shift transmission. This Audi features 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Pirelli tires. This A4 features brilliant black exterior finishing. Now let's check out the interior. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Spacious trunk. Bang & Olufsen stereo sound with 10 speakers and one large subwoofer. Sirius satellite radio, AM/FM, as well as media inputs, CD, as well as USB for your iPod. 3-zone climate control, heated black leather seats, and even hands-free communication capability. This 09 Audi A4 is also equipped with a power sunroof, a spacious rear seat with power windows, lots of audio equipment, the sunroof, and rear vents for the climate control. So now we've seen really everything on the A4. We've gone over performance data, shown you the sweet wheels, awesome paint, and great interior with the sound system. Now let's take it for a spin around the lot as a mini test drive. Let's go. Smooth acceleration. An awesome sound system. Once again, 10 speakers. It's really great when you have some people in the car. It's a lot of fun. You know, even by yourself, you can have your mini party with your Sirius satellite radio. Really great driving car, very easy to maneuver. Very responsive handling, very quick engine, transmission alike. The Audi is just such a great, well-built car, and I can't say anything bad about this one. It's no exception. I really like A4s. This one's got navigation, you name it. It's completely loaded, triple zone, climate control, 26 miles per gallon. You really can't beat it. And, you know, we're offering it here at Columbia Ford Kia. We're reviewing it for your viewing pleasure. We do that for the nicer used vehicles that we have. We have quite a few right now, so stay tuned on our YouTube channel for those. We're at 234 Route 6 in Columbia, Connecticut. Like us on Facebook, we're Columbia Ford Lincoln Mercury Kia. Check out our website, www.columbiaford.com. You can find our inventory and the latest stuff on Columbia Ford there. Or give us a call, 860-228-AUTO. That's 228-2886. It's the only number you need to know. And that's really it with the 2009 Audi A4 3.2 liter Premium Plus. If you have any questions, let us know. I'm Topher the Demo Dude. Thank you for watching. Comment below with any comments or questions for me. I'm Topher the Demo Dude. Make sure you message me with any comments or questions or concerns. Subscribe if you like what you see, and let me know what you'd like to see. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great one.